How to add your own music to TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add our own music to TikTok. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to add music or your own music or sound to TikTok video, you just need to simply tap on this plus icon after opening your TikTok app and logging into your account. You just need to simply tap on this plus icon and wait for it to load, where you can upload your own video, or you may just record a video at that moment. I'm just gonna select a video from my camera roll right now. So let's say this is the video where I want to add my own sound. So here what I'm going to do is simply tap on this icon here, and you can see this voice option here. So in order to voice over, you just need to tap on this voice here. After that, you can simply hit this record option. You can use any of these options here, like megaphone, equalizer, or change the sounds and add sound effects to your voice. After that, simply hit on this record option and record on some parts that you want to voice over to. After that, simply click on save and tap on next and upload it to your TikTok. So therefore, by following this method, you can add your own voice or sound in TikTok video. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.